This time for Packet from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about the game controller from our friends from China. It's from the company EasySMX. Gamer's Choice. I want to say this is a knockoff controller. It's more like an aftermarket controller. And we're going to do a little peek inside of what are we going to get. Alright, what comes inside the box? Not much, to be honest, just a little dongle that you can plug into your, in my case, PC. I'm going to test it out on Windows 7 or Windows 10, and yeah, if it's going to get recognized instantly or I do need to download the driver, we're going to find out. So let's take a close look at the controller itself. Looks familiar, huh? It looks like an Xbox 360 rip-off controller, only they did some modifications. First of all, we're having this rubber compound at the side. It's very nice. Giving this extra grip, I love it. The joysticks feel very nice. Got a nice click. Same goes for the D-pad, very nice. We're having here the back button or select start, and turbo button, even the same colors and letters like the Xbox 360. At the top we're finding the two shoulder buttons and the two trigger buttons. They feel very nice. Pressing this one will activate or search for the dongle. Here at the back we are finding this little compartment for the batteries. They're saying you can play 10 hours on batteries. To be honest, I think it's possible, but keep in mind you're going to need to buy good batteries. If you're buying cheap versions, of course you don't have the same 10 hours, so keep that one in mind. If I take a close look here on the inside, I don't see any pin connectors, so I don't think you can use, let's say, old packs or battery packs from the Xbox. So that's a little bit of a bummer. Or maybe there is a battery pack that connects like the original batteries. So this is what we're going to get. Lock and loaded. Are you ready? Let's plug it in and let's play some video games. Alright, I've connected the wireless dongle into my PC. It was recognized instantly, so there was no problem at all. I'm guessing it's seeing this thing like an Xbox controller because it was just plug and play. I'm using this on a Windows 7 PC, not on a Windows 10, by the way. Right, let's try the match. Very curious how responding D-pad is. This thing looks and feels like an Xbox 360 D-pad, so it looks promising. I love this fighting game. It looks so good. It looks so amazing. Wow, 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 wow. I was not ready. Holy shit. The computer's going ape shit. Alright. Responding. Oh yeah, it's going out instantly, no problem at all. Whoa. Come on. No, that didn't work with me, buddy. That didn't work with me at all. Oh yeah, he's kicking my ass. Here you go, my friend. No, I want my supreme victory! Come on! Just kick him. Just kick him. I'm going to kick him. Oh yeah.
I'm afraid your path ends here.
So, if it comes to the gameplay, it's comfortable like an Xbox 360. It works plug and play. Looks very nice. Alright people, for the final conclusion. Personally, I really love it. It plays very well. It works plug and play into my PC. I tested out on Windows 7 and Windows 10. Both of my PC instantly recognize the controller. Don't need it to download any drivers or any have any problem or syncing issues whatsoever. It just worked fine. I did a little playing of Killer Instinct and yeah. But I've recognized that everything, the joystick, even the D-pad, all the moves come out instantly. I don't feel any input lag or whatsoever. That's what we're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. And check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time to a new video.